Hello everyone, in this video we have been given a plus 1 divided by b equal 1, b plus 1 divided by c equal 1. Now we are going to find the value of c plus 1 divided by a. Answer: a plus 1 divided by b equal 1, then 1 divided by b equal 1 minus a, then b equal 1 divided by 1 minus a, b plus 1 divided by c equal 1, then 1 divided by c equal 1 minus b, b equal 1 divided by 1 minus a, then 1 divided by c equal 1 minus 1 divided by 1 minus a, 1 divided by c equal LCM 1 minus a, then 1 minus a minus 1 divided by 1 minus a, 1 divided by c equal minus 1 plus 1 cancel, then minus a divided by 1 minus a, then minus ac equal 1 minus a minus ac equal 1, a common, then a into 1 minus c equal 1, then 1 minus c equal 1 divided by a, then 1 equal c plus 1 divided by a, then c plus 1 divided by a equal 1. Thus, our answer c plus 1 divided by a equal 1.